Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review lined up for you. We'll be diving deep into the features, performance, and overall experience of the highly anticipated OnePlus Nord N30. So, let us not waste any more time and get started. First things first, let us talk about the design of the OnePlus Nord N30. The device sports a sleek and modern design, with a glass back panel and a sturdy metal frame. It feels premium in the hand and offers a comfortable grip. On the front, we have a vibrant and immersive 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, providing sharp visuals and excellent color reproduction.